Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki KLR650 Dual Sport. Beautiful condition, only 1,985 miles on this gorgeous 22. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, perfect showroom condition. Orange and black colors. It's got a really nice top case on there, Kawasaki brand. Come on by and make your dual sport dreams come true. This gorgeous KLR650. Price to sell quickly at just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.